Hi everyone, I'm back. My name is Khola. I'm just gonna start with the first video, and this is on one of a very key topic in HR, which is the art of giving interviews and how to be well prepared for any sort of interview as well. So we're gonna touch base this video from the point of view of the candidate, and the next video will be from point of view of the interviewer. So what are some of the key important tips that you will require in order to prepare well for an upcoming interview? Let's talk about that in detail. So I have 5 very important tips that you should know if you're planning to give an interview in any of the company. So number 1, always be prepared very well before the interview, and these tips will help you do that. So by preparing well, what I meant is that you should read about the company that you're going to be appear in an interview for. So जिस भी कंपनी में आप जाने वाले हैं, read about it, go Google the company, search their LinkedIn page, search their Instagram page. You can learn about the product or the service that they are working on, and you can also get an insight to the culture as well. A lot of things that you will understand by researching about it. So when you go to the interview, you're confident enough to know that the company is doing this thing, or the company is providing this service. So do your research about the company. Okay, point number 1. Point number 2, always dress well for your interview. Be professional. So as much as your confidence is the key to be successful in an interview, your look is the first thing that anybody will see while you're entering a room or while you're going to start being part of an interview. So always dress professional, proper. Your hair should be properly done. You should be your clothes should be iron pressed. Be well prepared for the interview in terms of your dressing, and in terms of your hair, and in terms of your makeup, in terms of your jewelry, anything like that. Even if you're appearing in an online interview, make sure that you look presentable. Tip number 3, always try to manage your time accordingly. If you're giving an interview online or in person on site, always arrive early. It's better to arrive early and calm your nerves, relax yourself, have a glass of water, and then appear for the interview, then to arrive late. Always make sure of that, right? Tip number 4, always prepare questions that you want to ask from the interviewer about the company's culture, about your role, anything that you feel that you should know before you take a call to join the company. As much as the company is interested in knowing you, you should also have questions to ask. So it shows that you are interested, you have done a little bit of research, and you want to know more about the company as well. Tip number 5, and the most important tip, is practice common questions, common interview questions. You can always search about the common interview questions online, and then you can make sure that you prepare your answers accordingly. It is a very important tip that you need to do. Also, an additional tip that I can give you is always know your resume well. What happens is that while we're preparing our resume, we sometimes go along standard templates which we feel are successful resumes, or we copy some things from another resume of a friend, and we feel, okay, this will add some value to my resume as well. That's great, but then you should know each and every word of your resume, and you should be able to highlight the achievements as well. So these are a few very important tips for a candidate's point of view in order to prepare for any interview. Till we meet next time, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, I would be grateful. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and suggest it to your friends and family as well. This is me signing off. Have a great Sunday. Take care. Bye bye.